how to turn off message requests on Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on a mobile device, launch the Messenger application. After that, make sure that you have logged into your account. And once you land on chat page, now head over to the upper left corner and tap on three-line icon. From this drop-down menu, again tap on gear icon. And once you are taken to this interface, scroll down a bit and under preferences, tap on privacy and safety. Here, tap on message delivery under who can reach you. And once you taken this interface, here you can customize the message request. First of all, tap on friends of friends on Facebook. From there, tap on don't receive request and again tap on update settings. And if you go one step back and again tap on others on Facebook, again it will get automatically changed to don't receive request, and again go back, and that's how you can turn off the message request on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.